Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Don in Texas on this Ranger RCI 69 base. Don is ready to go for you, bud. Our standard tune alignment per your order, as well as an static D104 M6B mic ready to plug right in. Let's go ahead and get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, just a shade under 1 watt. That way if you decide to run an amp, you get full adjustability. And 14 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Oh, and that looks like about 42 watts. 100 watt slug PEP. Hello, 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 hello. We'll call it 90. Roll the RF power all the way down. 1 watt carrier. Hello, 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 hello. We're going to call that 90. Just going to go over sideband to show you what sideband's doing. Hello, 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 hello. About 50 all the way down. Hello, 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 hello. And about 87 all the way up. Alright, Don, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.